Slovenia has really beautiful routes for cycling because it has a lot of mountains, beautiful roads, scenery, waters.
Macadamkanje is graveling.
In Slovenian?
Yeah.
What's special about Slovenia?
Many things are special, but let's say in terms of cycling, we use the term Slovenia is green, so more than 60% of the land is covered by forest, meaning that we have a lot of gravel roads inside the forest to do the gravel.
I am Tadeja from Polka Dot Cycling, helping with the logistic stuff for a glorious gravel event in Slovenia.
Where are we in Slovenia?
We are now in very northwest part of Slovenia, close to Kranjska Gora.
I'm Michal Kofjac, I'm the owner of Polka Dot Cycling. Today we are in Bohinj, so Lake Bohinj, the largest alpine lake in Slovenia. It's in the Julian Alps, the natural park Prologue. So we start directly in the heart of the Julian Alps. We are traveling through the mountains, the Julian Mountains, and we finish in the end at the Adriatic Sea.
We're in Slovenia, in the Julian Alps. We're on a glorious gravel trip. We're currently on the Prologue, 20k, just to test the bikes out. Yeah, beautiful surroundings, and nice to be riding in the mountains.
That's incredible, that backdrop, isn't it? Is it cold, James?
It's freezing. Nothing.
You know it's good for you.
Today we are leaving Kranjska Gora and have a nice steady ride to Lake Bled. And from Lake Bled we take a long gravel climb to Plateau Jelovica, and then we descend to Lake Bohinj.
Morning, nice day riding, beautiful scenery, beautiful weather.
Ready for a day?
Always ready. If you'd like to make your decisions now, guys, you can choose between our two great guides.
We're just leaving Kranjska Gora and heading out on a 90-kilometer route for stage 1 of glorious gravel Slovenia. It's a bit overcast, but I think the sun's going to come out later. Yeah, looking forward to a good day on the bike.
Enjoying the climbing?
Oh, loving it. Nice, really pursue it. Freshwater! Gosh! Oh, straight into the foot.
Surely there's a rope swing somewhere.
Have you enjoyed the riding so far?
Yeah, today was nice. Barely had to pedal.
Apart from a few steep climbs.
Yeah, there was a bit in the middle that was a bit of a wake-up call. Absolutely amazing.
Good swim?
Yeah, really good, really good. Woo! Oh, it's nice and warm here.
feeling?
So far so good, mate, yeah. Keep pushing, that's the trick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Glad to be at the top of the climb?
Yes, we're all over this like a cheap suit.
What was the highlight of your day?
Definitely the descent.
Last bit.
Yeah. Made all the uphill worthwhile. Good to see all the different techniques here, isn't there? You've got like the jet wash approach, you've got the sprinkle approach.
I'm ready for today, yeah, very excited, can't wait.
The sun's shining, it's going to be a beautiful day.
Anything you're looking forward to?
The descents. The climbs are fantastic, they're hard work but satisfying, but the descent is the real reward.
Glad to be in the mountains?
I am. Look at that. Still snow up there.
First we are going to Lake Bohin, and then we will take a climb to beautiful village, shepherd village, Zajamniki.
Yeah. I don't even know what that is.
That's yours.
Yeah. Oh mate, that's epic.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, baby.
We've ridden along the shores of Lake Bohin and we're now heading up the big climb of the day after passing through feed stop 1. Yeah, sun is still shining.
This is brilliant. Cold shower halfway up the climb, couldn't be better.
Enjoying it though?
Overall, yes. Definitely points where I was like, oh, this can fuck off now.
Yeah. But you get views like this, so it's not...
Yeah, it's amazing. Great, thank you. It's very... Don't want it.
Had a lovely lunch stop, homemade iced tea, some pasta and a Slovenian version of apple strudel. Absolutely delicious. And now back on the gravel roads, and hopefully the rest of the day is pretty rolling and gradually downhill.
Why is Slovenia so big in the professional peloton now? What makes Slovenia so good to like produce what talent it has now?
It's $1 million question, but I would say it's just the tradition that we have hardworking from the junior age. In the past we already had very good cyclists, and they basically made the foundation with their academies, and they just find a way how to teach the kids to do the great cycling, and then of course you need to have a talent to fulfill everything.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah, really good. It was pretty hard.
Highlights?
Getting here. Having my dinner later. I think you can't be grumpy at views like this, can you?
Yeah, just the ride in on that tarmac was pretty amazing.
Yeah, it was good. And of course, good company all day.
Great, unbelievable, best ever end to a ride. So yeah, it's good. Lots of downhill and then a cold dip in the river. Only improvements, the river temperature needs to be warmed up for next year, please.
Emma's going to lead the way down there. We're going to stay as all as one group, just go down to the train station. Then when we get to the other side, we'll obviously split into our normal riding groups when we get to the other side. Emma, if you would like to lead off.
We are in Bohinjska Bistrica. Today we first take the ride with the train. We will take the longest Slovenian tunnel, over 6K. We are leaving mountains, we are leaving Alp region, and we will exit in train station Most na Soči. Then we will start cycling along the emerald green Soča river.
Nice train ride under the Julian Alps. Heading down towards the Mediterranean and the Adriatic today. Looking forward to it.
We're riding along a beautifully smooth bike path, better than any UK road, with the river alongside us, Kazakhstan blue, and we're about just under 20k till lunch. Almost over the big climb of the day. The rest of the day is pretty rolling, and hopefully we get to see some white horses at the end.
They're going to be in the stables, the horses, by the time we get there. No dancing horses for you, Josh, today.
Today we will finish in Lipica, which is famous for its white horses, Lipicans, which are usually trained for royal ceremonies.
In Austria, is that?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
How was today?
I loved it. I just thought it was amazing. I know everyone else thought that we could finish earlier, but that last bit was awesome. You mustn't miss it.
You ready for the last day?
Yeah, I'm really ready for the last day. Really excited about the last day. Got my new Slovenia top on. Would you like to see that? It's alright, isn't it? Yeah, no, dead excited. So it's going to be a good day. Definitely going to be a good day. Still quite a bit of climbing to do, but it's basically all downhill all the way. Yeah.
To the coast, to the Adriatic?
To the coast, yeah, and we're just going to jump. I'm just going to pedal straight into the sea.
Forecast down by the coast is 28 degrees, so it's going to be like really hot as you get down there. Just make sure you're drinking plenty, make sure you take the opportunity to fill your water bottles as you go past all of the stops.
Last day of riding in Slovenia.
Hey there, hooray!
Having fun?
Enjoying it. Well, kind of enjoying it. I'll enjoy it more on the way down.
Good rolling start. I do love bikes.
Good day so far?
Yes, very good. Lots of hills. Enjoying the
descent?
More than the ascents, yes. Really good. So yeah, onwards to lunch.
Just passed through the lunch stop, tasting the local delicacy of sausage soup, and now heading up a berg, and then we'll be hopefully heading gradually downhill towards the coast. Full belly, going up a climb, not ideal.
A little bit of uphill, down to the seaside.
The Julian Alps to the Adriatic Sea. Boom. It's been amazing riding in Slovenia. Even just saw a picture of Tadej Pogačar. 7k left, 2 more small climbs, and then a descent to the coast. And I'm really looking forward to a dip in the sea.
That was the most stop, take a photo kind of day, wasn't it?
Day 2, not including the prologue. It's day 3 with the prologue. That was amazing. Well, the first descent on day 1 was great. But on day 2, it just eclipsed it, didn't it?
Yeah.